So today I come there for tell you the importance of English. So first of all, I tell you about me. My name is Nancy and I am from Panipat, Shaktinagar, and I am pursuing in 9th class in Mary Modern Senior Secondary School, and I also done my 8th class from same school. And in future I want to become a lawyer. And my skills that I am a positive thinker and my hobby is singing. This is all about me. Now I am telling about my family background. In my family there are 7 members. So this is all about me. Now I am start my presentation. So my presentation topic is importance of English. So this is my presentation and this presentation is presented by me. So these are my presentation topics. First of all, introduction, English for communication and English for education, English for job, technology and English boosts the confidence, and lastly, conclusion. These are my topics. Now I am telling about these topics. First of all, introduction. Everybody know English is very important in our life and English is also international language. And everybody use English for communication in front of another person. And English spoken by many countries, and people use English for communication with one another and use for speak in front of another persons. English also very helpful for our job. Like if we want to get a job and if we going for crack the interview, so English also very important. English for communication. Many people use English for communication with one another, and English is also very important. Like if we go outside from our home, so everybody speaks in English, and it's also very helpful for our communication. Useful in traveling and social media. English also a social media language. And as I told you, if we go outside from our home, so everybody speak in English. Connects different culture. English is also very helpful for connecting different language. Like if we speak in Hindi, Haryanvi, so sometimes some people don't understand it, but English understand by many people and everybody speaks in English. For growth in future, like MNC, like if we want to get a job, so English is also very important. And MNC are those companies which are very high level of companies, and in this type of companies English is very important. English for education. English is also very helpful for our education. Like many books now sold in English. So it's also subject in our school, and it's also very helpful for our school and for our colleges. As I told you, important for our school and for our colleges, and require for exam like IELTS. IELTS is the exam of English, and it helps us to go outside from our country. English for job. English is also very helpful for our job. Like if we want to get a job, so English is very important. If we know what is English, so we get a better job. But if we don't know what is English, so we get a job but on not very high level. And help in getting better job, as I told you. And important in business and offices. English is also very helpful for our business and for our offices work. English in technology, used in computer and internet. Everybody use computer in this generation, and computer is also in English. Apps, website and coding language. Many apps now are in English, so it's also very helpful for the social media work and social media language, as I told you. English boosts the confidence. If we know what is English, so we feel confident and don't feel unhesitate to speak in front of people. But if we don't know what is English, we feel hesitate and unconfident to speak in front of another person. Help in public speaking. If we know what is English, so we speak without any hesitation and with the confidence and make you confident. If you know what is English, so you feel very confident. Lastly, conclusion. English is very important in our life, and it's helping education, job, interview, traveling, social media, in everything. So according to me, everybody should learn English. Thank you. That's all. This is my presentation.